out of there. Let's go ahead and go over this. What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So today, before we head on out, today's a big day. Before we head on out, I gotta finish up some orders for Dirty Max Mafia and Bertrand 850 vinyl. Just want to say thank you to everyone for all the support. We officially just sold out of our XX sizes and t-shirts like these, Dirty Max Mafia, and we're gonna be getting more of those back in. I understand there's a lot of bigger guys that want XX, XXX, that kind of stuff, and I promise they will be back. We didn't have any XXX right out of the gate because we did a small run. But there will be XXX available probably end of this week, and XX of course again too. We still have large, small, medium, regular XL available, so if you want one, go check it out. Link is in the description. But we're about to go ship out the rest of the orders. We got quite a bit to ship out. I'm probably not gonna show you guys me shipping those out because I'm gonna be heading into town to Discount Tire. I wanna say thank you to Alex, That Wide Bow Tie here on YouTube, for hooking me up. He works for Discount Tire. Of course he don't live in Panama City, but he knows the guys that run the shop here in Panama City at Discount Tire. So shout out to those guys at Discount, and also shout out to Alex. Thank you. We're about to go place the order for the tires. They should be in tomorrow, and then of course I'll do a full video on what I went with and how the setup looks. All right, guys, so we're about to open the garage, back to Cummins, up to the garage, load these wheels up, and roll out to Discount. First things first, people were asking about my sunglasses. These are Smith Optics Outlier XLs. The other ones are Costa Rincons. Those are the ones I got the most questions about. So they are Costa Rincons. They're polarized, glass lenses. Expensive, but they're made for fishing, and I do a lot of fishing. If you're new to the channel, that's one of my favorite things to do. So start the Cummins up. Of course, I won't let it idle too long because I can get in trouble, because people are probably sleeping at 2:25 right now. So people are probably sleeping right now. As weird as that sounds, but if you guys are new to the channel, may not even know I have a 12 valve Cummins 97. Last video I kind of went over a little bit on it, but if you want to talk about louder, that's louder than my Duramax by far. And I'm courteous enough to not let that idle at night, rev it at night, and I try not to even drive it too late because it is loud. And but I'm respectful enough to know that. So I know it's 2 o'clock and people could be sleeping, as weird as that sounds, but we are gonna use it anyways because it is my property, and there's much louder things out there. There's Harleys, there's FedEx trucks, there's UPS trucks, there's semis, there is garbage trucks, there is all kinds of stuff way louder than it. Leaf blowers, chainsaws, weed eaters, whatever, edgers, the list goes on. Let's go ahead and start it up.
Whoa, shop with club that.
Well, that truck's a little louder than Duramax, like quite a bit louder. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's a loud truck. So we're gonna go ahead and load all the wheels up. Probably just put 3 in the bed because they're not open. And I'll put this one in the cab. We are ready to rock. All right, boys, let's roll. Start the old Cummins back up. Don't want to leave it idling. Probably grab my phone. For those that are new to the channel, this is Buford. Buford, can you sit? Awesome, beautiful. Such a good listener. Alrighty, guys, let's roll. The old 12 valve, the old 2nd gen. She's an old gal. She's almost as old as I am, so. By the way, if you guys want these key tags, Diesel Life, I sell them. The link to them is in the description. They're really nice. American flag one side, Diesel Life on the other side, like 10 bucks. So if you want one, go get one. They're pretty nice. So, all right, onward. For those wanting to hear what it sounds like in the cab of this thing, with the side exit, you know, it's a pretty loud truck, no matter what. But I think it sounds way better with the new side exit. I mean, not to say it didn't sound good before. Look at that guy. I waved to that guy. I mean, I've never seen it in my life. I waved to him, he just shakes his head at me. I mean, come on, man. He has no idea who I am. It's just, I'm telling you guys, it's how miserable these people are. I'm not the only person in this neighborhood with a loud truck or a loud vehicle for that matter. Now this truck is loud, but it's not louder than a semi truck or a garbage truck or a FedEx truck or any of those things, or lawnmowers, chainsaws. It's just, they see a loud diesel truck and they you know, they'll assume that it's a young kid, you know, a disrespectful kid, and you know, that's just what they assume. So I guess that's how they want to live miserable and complain about everything. That's on them, because I'm doing nothing wrong. You know, if they needed help side of the road, they, you know, they fell down or got hurt, I'd help them as fast as I could, you know. But you know, they can assume and think I'm a bad person all they want because my truck's somewhat loud. But it is what it is, guys. All right, guys, well, we got a little friend going with us to Discount Tire today, little lizard. I'm gonna stop and get him off here so he don't jump off and die. I'm not gonna do it. I mean, that's, oh, there it goes. He jumped down in there, so now he's out of the wind. He's gonna take a ride with us. Sweet. He wanted to just go along for the ride. I think he's a subscriber, actually. Thank you so much for subscribing. See, I have no problem taking people for rides and trucks and stuff like that. He's been watching the channel, so it's the least I can do. All right, guys, well, I can't really film in here because I think it's against their policy, so I will see you guys here in a little bit. I'm gonna go buy these things, drop these wheels off in there, and hopefully in the morning they'll be ready to go. Y'all do me a favor, take a guess on what tires I went with, what size and everything, and the first person to guess, I'll send them a key tag. So go ahead, first one, gotta nail it on the head, and I'll send you a key tag. That's why it kind of pays to comment and watch my videos, because I do a lot of giveaways. I think it's a good thing to do. I do a lot of giveaways that don't require any form of payment or anything like that. I like to give back to you guys for watching the channel. It's one of my ways of saying thank you to you guys. So I like to do these little like guess games, and even just the other kind of, you know, follow this type giveaways. So first one to guess it on the head, you'll get a key tag. Whoever wins, just send me your address on Instagram and I'll ship it right out to you. So go ahead. This damn Mustang again. What do they call the cops on this dude? They're everywhere in this neighborhood now. I don't know why. I just keep thinking they just own the place. All right, so my garage is a mess still. It's not usually like this, but right now it is. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over all this packing stuff. All right, so if you don't know, SDP, Screaming Diesel Performance, probably the best company for Duramax performance. We got their full wide bridge kit. We got the LBZ intake runners, all powder coated to Sinister blue. Enough of me talking. I'm just gonna go ahead and get all this stuff out. That way you can see what it looks like, and it's all laid out, ready to go for the week. So, all right. So one thing I noticed, SDP wraps their stuff up so good. It's taking forever to unwrap, but that's definitely not a complaint. You know, they wrap their stuff up really nicely, so you know it's not gonna take any damage when it ships. So that's one good thing. So shout out to SDP for really wrapping these things right. You know, making sure it arrives perfect. So that's pretty cool. That was interesting. But if you guys are following along with this whole neighbor situation with the loud truck thing, this is just a little bit more to that, I guess. One of them just came up to me, and I'm not gonna get into it. I'm gonna do a full video on it and kind of explain everything. That way this video is not 40 minutes long. So anyways, be on the lookout for that. I wanna go over what we got right here. downpipe. It is Sinister Blue. Just kidding, I don't know. I forget what it's called. It's like Blueberg, something like that. SDP, got that. Okay, so now here we got the LBZ intake runners. We got the SDP Y bridge with the LOI intake horn. We got the PPE up pipes. So all this stuff's ready to go. I was just under the hood of the Duramax, and luckily I caught it early, but there was like some rat poop in there and stuff. And I drive the truck basically every day, so I wouldn't think there's anything going on in there. I looked over everything and nothing looks like chewed or anything like that, but of course once we start tearing the thing down, we'll find out. We'll see what's going on, but it didn't look too bad. Just smelled it under there, and that's why I rinsed everything down. But I think we're all good. I'm hoping to have all this stuff done by Friday if everything goes smoothly. Of course, who knows? Hopefully no bolts give me any issues, you know, breaking, stuff like that. Hopefully everything. Luckily the truck is a southern truck, so it doesn't have to deal with salt and stuff like that. As you guys know, it's near impossible to do a job and not have a snag at least one time. You know, usually there's something that goes wrong when you don't plan on it. But I'm so excited. I am so excited. It's gonna be so cool. This color is amazing. I told them let's get close to Sinister Blue if we can. But that is where we are at with the Duramax. A lot of you guys have subscribed for the Duramax. I know there's some Cummins content today, but the Duramax obviously being the main priority of the channel. Of course, we are jumping into more performance, guys, and I'm so excited. If you are new to the channel, I will be doing all this myself here in the driveway and doing the install myself. So if you do like that hands-on type of stuff, if you want to learn some stuff, this is a great channel for that. A lot of this stuff, well, some of this stuff I'm learning as I go. You know, you just can't be afraid, you can't be intimidated by it. You just got to jump in and you learn it. Of course, some stuff, if you're not comfortable, don't do it, but I like to learn this stuff as I go. I know this is going to be a pretty big job, nothing too bad. It's going to be just a lot of tear down and getting stuff out of the way, and you know, and then from there it should be fairly easy. So like I was saying, be on the lookout for the video a little bit later on in the week. The neighbor came over to the house, and like I said, I'm not going to go into too much detail right now because it's not what this video is about, but you guys are going to want to see it because it is hilarious, and I don't know, it might be something good for the channel. I think you guys are definitely going to want to see it, okay? Because a lot of exciting things happening here on the channel, guys. The Duramax should have the turbo done by the end of the week too, I'm hoping, and then the Cummins will have new wheels tomorrow, and then yeah, I should be able to announce the big news on the Duramax. The turbo is not the big news, trust me, but the big news I will be announcing maybe tomorrow or maybe the next upload. We'll see. I don't know. Gotta make sure everything's 100%. So, but yeah, guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. A lot of you guys wanted an update on the Duramax, wanted to see the Duramax more. Of course, I didn't really show it that much in this video, but there wasn't really much I could do with it as far as like showing you it because I was just showing you the parts that came in. So the next video and then video after that and the video after that will all have the Duramax in it more, and I know you guys are gonna love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. If you are a veteran of the channel, make sure you give this video a like. Thank you guys so much for watching. All you new subscribers, thank you so much. Welcome to the channel, and yeah, we'll see you next time.